The second kind of repair job involves touch-up work on a solid laminate, such as the one here on the fuselage of a G115. Here, the damaged area is first ground down so we can accurately determine the extent of the damage. Wherever we do a grinding or machining job, an industrial vacuum cleaner and a face mask are never far away. The damaged section, also on a solid laminate, is generously cut out with a diamond saw. Once again, we use a rotary grinder for the precision work. When one of our top professionals does the job, it seldom takes longer than half an hour. For safety, the area around the cut surfaces is now inspected with a mirror for any hairline cracks. If, as in this case, the repair area does not have to be enlarged, then we can begin with the conical grinding. This means chamfering the edges to form the subsequent adhesive bond surfaces. This, too, is a precision operation. Now another mirror check to make sure all the surfaces created are clean and uniform. Now the prepared repair insert is soaked in resin and a coating of micro balloons is applied to the surface. To make the fitting job easier, we insert a temporary screw in the middle of the repair section. Two additional screws on the right and left hold the composite patch in place until the resin has cured. Now another couple of fabric layers and a few hours of curing time. Then the damage to the fuselage is repaired, and the spot need only be filled, sanded, and painted. There is no simpler or less expensive method. The result? Even after this misfortune, you have a perfectly restored, good-as-new fuselage. The final phase is similar to a sandwich repair. The Strato 2C, the extreme high-altitude research aircraft, Grob Aerospace has proven that even aircraft with jumbo jet proportions and the high-pressure cabin of a space shuttle can be constructed of composite material a la Grob, with all the outstanding characteristics which undergo constant further development in Grob's laboratories. Absolute corrosion proofing, low weight combined with high rigidity, virtually limitless durability, low maintenance costs, unsurpassed aerodynamic surface quality, and, last but not least, high cost effectiveness, even if repairs become necessary. These are the properties that Grob Aerospace builds into all its flying products as they start down their long flight path of life. Grob Aerospace aircraft have earned the confidence of not just private pilots, but also a number of air forces all over the world, who use our planes both for aerobatic training and workhorse missions. These aircraft have stress limits considerably higher than the maximum requirements of both civil and military operators, the result of ongoing research and design work with composite materials. And should a pilot really have the bad luck to damage his Grob aircraft, no problem. As we just saw, it can be repaired either in Grob's workshops or by the customer himself, and restored to operation in mint condition in no time. This also goes for planes that have suffered severe damage, such as after an extremely hard landing. Leonardo da Vinci, as we know, dreamed of human aviation and man-made